guys, welcome to my channel. I am so happy and grateful to have you here. If you like to be creative and tap into that other side of the brain, then this channel here is for you. Here I will be making a variety of things such as making resin, acrylic and oil painting, pouring paint, anything that has to do with the Cricut or the silhouette, sublimation, you name it. I'll make a tutorial, I'll show you how, and mistakes to avoid, as well as DIY projects and activities that you can include your children with, as well as a bonus feature. You can join me on my journey as I open up my online business and I speak with you about my trials and tribulations, which have been many, but it's still worth the journey. And if this is something that you resonate with and something that you would like to do, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like, comment, and share. Also, if there's any tutorials that you are interested in, please don't hesitate in hitting me up and letting me know, and I am more than happy to look into it. Thank you and have a blessed day.